Come on! What are we doing tonight?
I don't know yet. I'm gonna figure that out in a few minutes here. I got a window to fix. I got some fenders and a hood to take off.
I'd say let's take the fenders, the hood, the radiator support, grill and bumper off.
I'm taking the radiator support off.
Why not?
Because I don't need to.
Why? It's easier when you gotta take the motor out and put it back in. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I own a Nova.
Oh, I know. I know you know what you're doing. I thought I asked you.
See, people, I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Now let me show you guys something. Only professionals. You put your bolts in this nice pot you got right here. Right, Eric?
Right.
And then later on we can make soup. Make sure to put it on the battery too. Oh. Oh. You gotta make sure to have that basketball.
Yeah, I don't know where the fuck that thing came from.
You're gonna shoot some hoops.
Wow. That baby's tight.
Ooh. Oh. Little crusty right there.
The whole thing is.
Oh.
Look at this, it's all bent and shit. That was twisted prior. This thing's a fucking shit box.
Yeah, but
Guys,
you
restored a fucking hot car here.
restored it. That don't look restored to me.
Tell me. Tell me, motherfucker.
Tell the fans what exactly you're putting in this car. Refresh everybody.
A motor.
Alright, I guess I'll tell the people.
No. Putting 351 Windsor in it, but I'm going to be putting a fiberglass nose on the car. Disc brake conversion. Got the disc brake front end downstairs. Out of a 65 Mustang. Got a top loader 4-speed that's going in here.
Yep.
Bulletproof bell housing. McLeod street and strip clutch.
And how long you been working on race cars?
18 years.
18 years, okay.
Yeah, just so everybody knows, I'm only 19. It's a long time.
Long time. He thinks he's gonna beat me in my Nova.
I don't think that at all. What did I tell you today, Brandon? You're gonna beat me.
That's right.
Spot.
Yep.
Gayest of places. I knew it. I forgot about that. Oh, you gonna fuck.
Oh, right on the
fucking
face.
Christ.
Hey, Kurish. Samana for you. That truck's badass.
Should be it.
Holding it up.
Dude, it's gone. Hang on.
Is there something on the bottom holding it?
Oh, let me get by you.
There you go. Now you got it. Oh, what the fuck is this shit? Oh, that's for the antenna. Oh! Take out the door.
No, hold on to that. Hold on to it like a man.
Hold on, I don't want to fucking hit the thing. I got it. Does the other fenders have the holes for the badge?
No.
No. Sucks.
Yeah.
That's whatever, yeah, what are you gonna do? You could just load it up full of stickers. There you go, now you got it. Perfect.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. It makes a little seat so you can work on the engine now. Perfect, dude. Look at that.
Exactly.
What will Ford think of next?
Hopefully that'll fix rot, because everything they fucking build fucking rusts straight out.
Yeah.
Alright, we need to put this on something.
Here it comes. You having a hard time with this one?
That is glued. Guys, I don't want it falling off now. You hear?
Yeah, it's definitely bolted somewhere else.
Should be on.
Here it comes.
It's a fucking loose tooth.
What the fuck is holding that fender on? The fucking Keebler elf? Oh, here comes the fire department. Ambulance.
Hammer.
Don't slam the door, the inertia switch might go off.
Yeah, I don't want that.
Yeah, we'll never be able to start it again.
No, let me get
There it is. Fucking mint. Oh, that fender's in a lot better shape.
Yeah, open up the door.
Now, people, you gotta remember, we don't leave car parts in the garage. They can't be cold.
No.
If you love something, you bring it inside.
Exactly. Put it on the furniture.
Yep.
So it can take a nap.
So it can take a nap.
Sometimes things get tired. You just need to take a nap. You know? Remember, no matter what anybody tells you, your mother or whoever you live with, you let them know that it's okay to do this.
Yeah.
And anybody that tells you no, you tell them that they're stupid and they don't know what they're talking about.
Alright, now we just put the motor like on the kitchen table and we'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll just use that.
We'll wash it off in the sink.
Might as well if you got it. Take this side off. Yeah, I just didn't take that one off. Get this one off this side. Here you go, Sriracha.
Oh.
You gotta take bottom bolt out. Well, that's what I'm working on. Applying this as a compressor. Like that. A little bit wherever you need it. If anything, I come down more, Skippy, on the top. It's alright. It's alright. Hey. But you know what we could do too is take it and flip the hood over.
Why you don't want to leave it like this?
Well, I almost don't want to because it's fucking pushing on the top of the car.
Alright, flip over.
Turn sides. Walk right forward.
I think this fucking hood weighs like 2 pounds. It's pretty light.
Yeah, it is.
Compared to the one on my Nova, the one on my Nova is way heavier.
Yeah.
But also the hood's 10 times the size.
You see all the rust?
Oh, there you go.
That's better.
That's
See?
way better.
Don't you think so?
Yeah.
See, look, now I can move it around. I won't be scratching the shit out of it.
Alright. Got the whole front, well, not the whole front clip off, but got a good amount off.
So that's the whole front clip.
Pretty much.
Something off.
Yeah. Alright, we got the whole front clip off. Just took the radiator out, battery, starter, disconnected the exhaust, fuel lines. So now we just got to drain the fluids out of the engine and transmission. Probably going to pull the motor and tranny tomorrow. I think we're going to take the interior out tonight too. So come on!